Here we have Nip Ear. She's had her ear cut off to signify that she's been neutered as a stray cat. And here we have Scarface. And here we have the sick cat. And over here we have Kit Kat, who has been treated again for worms, and he's not eating this morning. He ran over here with me this morning like he was very hungry, but once we got here, he didn't eat. Kind of concerning. The treatment for worms is nearly lethal for the cats. This one's had ear mites and a cough, but he's continued to eat pretty good. Not sure who this is. It doesn't have a white fur collar like other cat, but this one has been sick with ear mites and a cough. The one that's missing this morning is Tip Tail. So far he's not here. And poor Kit Kat, diarrhea. Not good.